How engineers do it. Hello friends, this is Mohammed Shakil here from How Engineers Do It, and in this video we'll see a simple trick in order to create symmetry easily in Catia. So now we have a drawing, and let's say this is the actual sketch, and this is a sketch we would like to do a symmetry with this one. So in this case, generally what we do is we'll select this line and this line here. Select the line here, control select this line and this axis here, and go for this one and go for symmetry here, and this will be symmetric. Now we have an easy way to do it. We have the constraint tool here, and let's double click it, and now select 1 and 2 and right click and go for allow symmetry line and select this, and this is symmetric. Now let's do the same thing over here. Right click, allow symmetry line, select this axis. Let's delete it once. So 1, 2, right click, allow symmetry line, select this axis. Now let's do the same thing here. 1, 2, right click, allow symmetry line, and symmetric. We can see that now the sketches are getting aligned. We'll select this and this. We can see that these are two different inclination. These two lines have two different inclination over here. Let's go to the allow symmetry line and select this axis, and that's getting done. And let's take this and go for allow symmetry line and select this axis. That's done. 1, 2, and note that this line is not even vertical, and this line is vertical. Allow symmetry line and select this axis, and now it's symmetric. And also the length is aligned. The distance between this line and this axis is same as this one. So now we have a symmetric sketch finally over here. This will take a lot of more time if we are doing it with the normal method of selecting the lines and going for the constraint define toolbar and doing it. It's going to take a longer time. So that's about this video. Thank you so much and stay tuned.